Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Vivek and today we'll create a movies list using React. If you look at this project, we got a list of movies. In each movie list, we have an image, title, description, release year, and rating. This is a basic React project where we will practice on components. Before starting the project, please like and subscribe to my channel, Code with Vivek. I upload new videos every Sunday, Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. UK time. Also, I want to let you know that I have created playlists on my channel. They are organized by topics to help you find what you need easily. Take them out and start exploring. Now, let's get started by setting up the React app using Vite. Vite is a modern tool for building web applications. It helps developers run projects very fast during development and creates optimized files for deployment. It is commonly used with React for better speed and performance. In order to create React applications, we also need Node and NPM. If you haven't installed them yet, make sure you download and install them by visiting their websites. Then create any folder and open them in your favorite text editor. I'm using VS Code as my text editor and using React as my folder name. Open the terminal by clicking View, Terminal. Here type npm create vite add latest. Add the project name. Select React as a framework. Then select JavaScript. No. Select Yes to install with npm and start now. Once done, press Ctrl and click the link to open the project in the new tab. So this is our first React app created with the help of Vite. If you look at the source code, we can see JSX files like app.jsx or main.jsx. So what exactly is the JSX file? JSX is a syntax used in React that lets you write HTML-like code inside JavaScript. It makes creating and understanding user interfaces easier by combining structure and logic in one place. For example, let me open app.jsx. This looks like HTML, but it is written inside JavaScript. Everything inside the return is JSX. This S1 tag looks like HTML, but is actually a JavaScript. The expression count is a JSX expression which allows dynamic data to appear in the UI. JSX also lets us use attributes like class name and event handlers like onClick directly in the markup. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll create a movies component. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you for watching and see you soon.